So now, moving on to the next histopathology of oral cavity, we found the Warthin tumor, which is also known as papillary cyst adenoma lymphomatosum. So what's wrong with this weird name? Let's break it into pieces. Papillary mean finger-like projections. Cyst mean the fluid-filled cavities. Adenoma means it is granular in nature, mostly derived from parotid gland. And lymphomatosum means the lymphoid cells with germinal center. So these are the four key features found in this kind of tumor, as it is evident from its name. So now let's talk about its gross features. This tumor, when we see on a gross scale, it is found that it is round and oval mass. You can palpate it superficially, so it is superficial palpable mass. And this Warthin tumor is benign, and you know that like all other benign tumors, it is encapsulated, so it doesn't break the basement membrane of this salivary gland. And when we talk about out of multiple oral cavity salivary gland, which gland have the most likely incidence of this Warthin tumor, so remember the name, the parotid gland. And when we cut the Warthin tumor into half pieces, we found that it is pale grey on cut surface. And now let's put this tumor into small pieces and bring one of this piece under the microscope, and let's see the microscopic features of Warthin tumor. It is actually consists of double layer of oncocytic cells. Remember the name, oncocytic cells. So what's so special about these oncocytic cells? These are large cells with numerous mitochondria, granular eosinophilic cytoplasm, large nuclei with prominent nuclei. So remember the picture, large cell, numerous mitochondria, eosinophilic granules in the cytoplasm, large nuclei with prominent nuclei. So this is the oncocytic cell. And this oncocytic cells is arranged actually in two layers. The upper layer consists of columnar cells and the lower layer consists of cuboidal cells. Together, this double layer of oncocytic cells bring around a structure which is finger-like in projections, just like this. And in between these finger-like projections, we found the cystic space. Look at this one. And the stroma of this finger-like projections consist of the high density of lymphoid cells. And in between these lymphoid cells, we found the germinal center. Remember this picture? All these features can make the picture of the name of this tumor, the Warthin tumor, which is papillary cyst adenoma lymphomatosum. And this concludes our section of Warthin tumor.